Permission to come aboard. Let us explore the Navy ABC. A for aircraft carrier. It's a floating airport on the sea. Whoa! Too much wind! B for battleship. Strong and tough. Stay on course.
Hey, the glass is cold. Ribbit.
C for captain. Leading the crew across the deep blue.
I'm the captain now. Whoops. I'm in the bubbles. Ribbit.
D for destroyer. Fast and agile, protecting the whole fleet.
I caught a shoe. That's not a yummy fly. Ribbit.
E for engine room. Full power ahead. Hear those engines roar.
F is for fleet admiral, the big boss of all the ships.
Too many medals. I'm rolling away. Help me, Admiral. Ribbit.
G for guard boat. Keeping the harbor safe day and night.
Hey, that bird took my hat. Come back here. Ribbit.
H for hovercraft. It flies on air, over land, and sea.
Boing! Boing! I'm a bouncy sea frog.
I for island base. Our secret home in the middle of the ocean.
Coconut surfing. Look at me go. Splash. Ribbit. J is for jet ski. Zooming over the waves. Hold on tight.
Too fast. My tongue is a flag. K for knot tie. A strong rope keeps the ship safe. Watch.
I'm tangled. My legs are a pretzel. Help me, Reese.
L is for life jacket. Safety first. It keeps you floating high.
Look at me. I'm a big yellow balloon.
M for marine radio. Sending messages across the sea.
La 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 ribbit.
N is for night beacon. Helping ships find their way home safely. O for ocean radar, seeing everything underwater.
Look, there are dolphins.
P for periscope, looking above the water while we stay hidden. I see a bird's beak. It's huge. Help me down, Reese. Ribbit. Q for quarterdeck, the most important part of our big ship.
Slippery. Whoa!
R for rescue swimmer, brave heroes jumping in to save the day. Take that, Slatty Eater! S for submarine, diving deep to explore the hidden ocean. Stealthy.
E for tugboat, small but mighty, pushing the giant ships home.
I'm so strong. Look at me push this big boat. Ribbit!
U for underwater drone, exploring the deep sea where we can't go.
Whoa, it's too fast.
V for victory flag, flying high above the sea. We won!
I'm wrapped up. I'm a blue flag burrito.
W for waves, riding high on the ocean. Keep the ship steady. X for X-ray sonar, seeing through the deep water to find secrets. Y for yacht, a smooth ride for the crew. Time to relax.
I'm a fancy frog. Whoops. I'm a hanging frog.
Z is for zero depth. Back to the surface. We're home. Navy ABC mission accomplished. You are a top-tier sailor. Great job.